Alright, so we got our power up effect following the player around, but now just previously we made the alpha of it 0, so it's not visible to us right now. We want to go and use these fade in and fade out functions to change the alpha, or to change the transparency. We want to make that transition from being totally invisible to being totally visible. Now you can do this on any object that you'd like to fade in and fade out. You need to make sure you have these fade in and fade out functions. What we're going to do in the fade in function is set the alpha, or the transparency of the object, to increase. So we'll go to looks and grab set alpha of myself to 0. And we don't want to keep setting it to 0 when we do our fade in function. We actually want it to increase. So we're going to set it to whatever it was before plus a number. So we'll go to operators and grab this plus. And then in here on the left we want get alpha of myself from looks. That gets what the current alpha is, how faded in it is, and we want it to increase. So alpha plus, let's try 0.02. That means 2%. Alpha can go from 0 to 1. 1 is 100% visible, 0 is not visible at all. 50% would be 0.5. So 0.02 is 2%. Now once this function starts, we want it to keep executing itself. We want it to be a recursive function, so it tells itself to run. What we'll do is we'll check if the object is not fully visible yet, so if its alpha doesn't quite yet equal 1, and if it doesn't, then we'll get the function to run itself again. So we want to check if alpha is less than 1. Let's go to control flow, grab that if, go to operators, grab equals, change that to less than, and we want to check if it's less than 1, and we want to check the alpha. So we want to say if alpha less than 1, then we want to do this again, fade in, increase its alpha. So we'll go to functions and we'll grab fade in. Now we don't want it to be like this. What this would do is it would run straight away, and it would just keep running, and it would get stuck in an infinite loop.